Hello, I'm Hamp Tanner with FireSense and want to make a quick video showing you how to replace some of the parts in our new Pro Series patio heater, our item number 61159, best patio heater on the market. Here we go. Now I'm going to show you how to replace the tilt switch. The tilt switch is the safety mechanism that causes the gas flow to be interrupted so that it'll stop flowing if the patio heater tilts past a certain angle, and especially if it falls all the way over. So if the tilt switch goes bad, it won't light and stay lit because there's an electrical interruption that causes the gas valve to close. First, again, we go to the handy, easy to access panel here. Take out 2 screws. We should have races to see who could do this the fastest, like field stripping a gun or something. The tilt switch lives right here. The little black plastic assembly with the 2 connectors. These wires, I'm just going to pull them loose. 1, 2. And then I'm going to take this out. I'm going to go from this side. With my screwdriver, there's 2 screws to take out. What you want to do is leave those screws in the holes that they're in so that gravity continues to work for you, not against you. So taking this one out and replacing it with this one, you'll see this part with the part number and the lettering on it. Have that facing the inside of the heater so that it'll fit properly. Alright, so I'm just going to line it up with my 2 screws in here, which I would show you, but it's so small you might not see it, but it's obvious. Alright, I've replaced the tilt switch. Now I just need to reconnect these 2 connectors. Doesn't matter which one goes on which connection as long as they're both firmly, securely connected. So I would connect the one on the back side first, for obvious reasons, because it makes it easier to connect the second one. Boom. That's that. I can replace my access panel. You might have to squeeze the sides a little bit. You want to make sure that it is inside the mesh screen here and here before you put the screws back in. And then once you tighten, back in business.